If you want to protect yourself, get a double barrel shotgun, have the shells, a 12 gauge shotgun, and I promise you, as I told my wife, we live in an area that's wooded and somewhat secluded. I said, Jill, if there's ever a problem, just walk out on the balcony here or walk out, put that double barrel shotgun and fire 2 blasts outside the house. I promise you, who's ever coming in is not going to, you don't need an AR-15.
This is an overview of the Utica Fire Arms Company double-barrel 12-gauge coach gun. Notice that there are quite a bit of dings in the wood along with dirt and rust on the metal. Not very pretty. The stock and forearm were sanded down using a combination of sanding blocks and sandpaper. Three coats of dark walnut stain were applied to the stock and forearm. Six coats of true oil finish were applied to the stock and forearm. Coats were done 24 hours apart and number 0000 steel wool was used to remove excess finish. One week after the last coat of true oil finish had been applied, paste finishing was applied to the stock and forearm. The metal parts were cleaned using a combination of oil, number 0000 steel wool, and gun scrubber, and rust was removed. The parts were then lubricated with BARRICADE. The shotgun was then reassembled. This is the final result. Please give a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos.